Made it just in time, so it's not bubbling or anything like that. But the gauge was reading a little warmer than we wanted it to be, so obviously you're gonna play it safe. And Rover, 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 Rover. All right, well, without any more BS, welcome back to the Addicted Rovers YouTube channel. I guess that's kind of what this is now. And to another delivery of a L322 Supercharged. So they just dropped this one off today. I didn't get the Troy and Mike Total to Rover on the truck portion that I've done, luckily, the first few times. This is the one of two that's gonna arrive today, potentially. We got another one, another 06 that says it's coming in. So let's do a quick walk around about this beautiful thing. So details, 130,000 miles. New Jersey truck, but not too rusty, at least that I can see. Check out the limo tint. Not bad, but this was a cool one. I like the kind of the factory grill guard deal we got going on with the fogs. We'll check, see if those work. Mike didn't do the tire inspection yet, but the tires actually have tread and stuff on them, so I'm doing decent so far. The lights work. It started. We didn't have to jump it. The air suspension's holding. Has pretty decent exterior. There's some little chips and stuff here and there, but you know, it's a tinted out silver Range Rover from New Jersey, so that's kind of goes with the terrain. Factory taillight guards, you know, that kind of stuff's pretty cool and I think rare to see these days. But the tint's a lot. I mean, that is drug dealer dark. So I'm really interested to see what we find on the inside. But let's pop the hood first, see if we see any, you know, leaking gas, rattly chains. I mean, we've had the entire list of things you don't want to see in a Range Rover show up in the past few days. So let's try this again. So, hood struts. Nope, they're not doing the strut thing. Motor's running nice and quiet. No major knocks or anything. I noticed that the coolant is blue. Hold on. I hope they didn't put windshield washer fluid in the... Blue coolant, what is that, for BMWs? BMW coolant's blue. All right, well, that might be something to take a look at. But no, it's running smooth. The fuel line's not leaking like the other one. It looks like someone tried to clean this car up a little bit, which is good and bad. You know, sometimes they're trying to completely polish a turd, but that's a good looking front end. Let me see if I can get any of these lights to pop on. Oh, that's a little much. Idle was hunting there a little bit. Oh, that might be it. Lights on. I don't know. That battery might be a little weak. I don't think that's doing anything. That's a bummer. Oh, well, hold on. Fog's on, that on. Nothing. All right, so not the end of the world. So it's got brakes, got the big Brembos on it. Still has air suspension. And that idle is pretty odd. Not too rusty. Seats are in great condition. I like the black leather, not ripped, torn, high back, everything. Headliner doesn't seem too saggy. I'm sure it's a little saggy here and there. But yeah, back seats are actually in really good condition. Looks like they've almost never been sat in, because if you're,
hear that?
It's got a hunty idle. It only does when the doors are open.
What?
Yeah.
That's great.
But no, I mean, seats and everything look good. Great place to store drugs, because you know you probably didn't have your kids in there anyway. There's not a strut on this truck that works. None of it. But that's all there. Yeah. Smells like, hey, forget, this is our truck. Yeah.
Just saying. It
Yeah,
cool.
smells like, yeah, there's blue coolant in there, which leads me to think that someone put blue coolant in because they thought it was a BMW motor. Because I don't really know who else takes blue coolant, but all right, more bits and bobs. Oh, this is where the drugs are at. Let's see. Nope, just normal Rover stuff that's kind of boring. We'll shove all this back in. I don't think that's supposed to be in there. That doesn't fit. But yeah, no, I'm smelling it now. Light whiff of coolant. Yeah, sure. Let's do the control arm test. All right, so this is what, almost third or fourth time in a row. Man, those windows are dark. Yeah, shifter bushings. I mean, it shifts fine, but the bushings just feel weak.
I got a mouse.
What?
Put the mouse down.
Put the mouse down.
I'll go put him down.
All right, well, we caught a control arm check. Straighten the wheels. There's a little movement there. Let me see the other side. Yeah, not as bad. That other side's a little worse. But, well, it actually makes it look 18 times better just looking at it with the window down and without the limo tin on it. But let's, that's a little odd there, how that spacing is. Let's see how well she goes down the old road. Oh, man. I mean, you can hate on dark tint all you want, but it's pretty funny.
Yeah, it looks like it's like 2 hours later.
I know. Literally. All of a sudden, it's nighttime.
My friend's got tent. He has to park in a fan. Can't ever see it. Ah, man, that's still pretty quick.
It's
that's
not
still
bad.
pretty quick.
It's not bad. Because these don't have a sport shift mode or anything like that. You're kind of just...
Right.
Oh. And you can just do this? All right, so...
Well, yeah, I just...
Little hang shift. Nice.
That's quick.
It is quick.
That's quick.
It's quicker than the normal one.
Driving after driving mine, that's quick.
That's true. All right. I mean, yeah. I mean, you really got to put your whole foot into it. I tend to not like to do that, but
What?
whole foot. I'm talking about putting your whole foot in it.
Yeah, my ass.
But I mean, the brakes feel okay. The tires feel fine. It doesn't feel like when I took it around the block a little while ago, and it felt pretty normal. Oh no.
What? Oh yeah.
Oh no, hold on. Oop. Oh, that came on. So it looks like it's getting a little warm. So we're gonna make it back to the shop. That's the end of that video. All right, if you haven't made the make it back before it gets into the red game, we just won. Only on the third bar. And we're back.
Let's just let it idle, see what happens.
All right, pop the hood. And grab it. Woo! Made it just in time, so it's not bubbling or anything like that. But the gauge was reading a little warmer than we wanted it to be, so obviously you're gonna play it safe. And all right, I thought we were done. So it's so dark in this car that my iPhone automatically turns the flash on. I didn't turn this on for the video, but the tint, luckily, woo, it's gonna pull off. So we're gonna just yank that off and probably improve the value of this thing by all of it. Oh, another note, this cup holder actually works. This is the only L322 I've seen that you press it and it actually comes out. Probably because, you know, when you're moving drugs around, you're not doing anything with that. You know, they don't have any other reasons. Oh. Wow, this cup holder actually folds out and folds. Well, let's see if it'll lock back in. And it locks back in. That's a first. Cubbies. I know I already went through all this, but tint time. This side was pretty. Wow.
God bless people that do terrible jobs.
Woo! That is. If you want someone to cheap on something, please, for God's sake, cheap on tip. Hey, do you have the key on you? Let's roll these out. Might be able to do the same thing. Stop. They're automatic. I might need a razor. Oof. Oh wow! So that's way better. Now it looks presentable. Might leave the back ones on until we got way too lucky taking that off. That was too easy. So I think that's it. I think that's all we're gonna do with this for right now. So just remember, kids, the theme here is all Range Rovers are broken. I want you to say it with me. All Range Rovers are broken. I want to say it in the comments too. Again, they're all broken. So this one's gonna have some heating issues that'll get looked at, and as well as everything else. So this is just a preliminary video. We're gonna throw up on the lift in the next few days, like all the other ones, and see what's wrong with it and fix it, and then we're gonna sell it, because that's gonna be the goal. You know, buy them, fix them, sell them. We'll see how that works out. But yeah, definitely a neat truck. It is clean. It does need some things. Definitely have to get that tint removed. Definitely look at the cooling system and whatnot, but everything else seems pretty solid. So I'm pretty excited about it. I hope you're interested in it, and catch me in the next one when we do something to it. So appreciate you watching, and tune in for the next one.